Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Angular CLI and create an Angular 5 project from scratch. Also show you how to generate component from terminal and set routing for your single-page application. First of all, you need to install Node. So go to browser and download Node for Windows from www.nodeedges.org. Also, download Visual Studio Code as the code editor. You can use others, it totally depends on you. After finish, your download installs both. If it already installs on your machine, please confirm that you are running at least Node version 6.9.x and npm version 3.x.x. To check your Node and npm version, Node-v, npm-v. If your Node or npm version is lower than the requirement, please update it. Then install Angular CLI globally on your machine by the following command. npm install-g at angular/cli. It will take some time to complete it. After successfully completed Angular CLI installation, if get any error, please uninstall it by npm uninstall-g at angular/cli. Then clean cache by npm cache clear. Then try again. It does not clear cache successfully, please restart your machine and try again. Now open the terminal and go to the location where you want to create your project. For my case, I am in the desktop folder. After that, run command ng new client to create a new project. You can also add CLI command to use Sass for style. And add routing, which helps you to provide routing for your app. For this, you need to add --style equals sass --routing at the end. Please check Angular CLI command for more options. After successfully create your project, now go inside your project folder. To run your project, type ng-serve. Copy the URL and paste to the browser and hit enter. Your project setup is done. To open your project on Visual Studio Code, type code. And press enter key. Now check some of the project file. Package.json contains your project information like author, version, project description, etc. It contains all of your npm packages list, which installs by default when you create your project. It also contains development dependencies packages. Let's check app.module.ts file, that is your project entry point. Here all of your components, services, module, etc. should import. We will see that later. See the app here, which comes from app.component.ts file defines in the title variable. Let's change the title. Also, change the view from the app.component.html file. Here only keep the title and remove all others. Run your project if you stopped that already. Go to browser and refresh it. See it changed already. Let's see how to generate component. For this, I open a new terminal and go inside the project folder. To generate new component, you need to type ng-gc login. Here G stands for generate and C for component. By default, it will be generated inside a folder login, which is situated inside app folder. And inside this folder, necessary files will be created also. When you generate the component, it will be automatically imported to your app.module.ts file. Also, generate two more component, register and home, to use routing. Now add some route for your app. Open your app-routing.ts file. Go inside the router array. Add some route here. The path for defines the name of your route, which is joined with your app space URL. And component is one which will do necessary works for the view of that page, like create a view, call service to get data from the server. Here I add 3 routes for home, register, and login. Your component view will be imported at the router outlet section of app.component.html. Now go to the browser and check routes. See on the home page, here text homeworks comes from the home.component.html file. Same for register and login. Currently, I check that those routing by typing on the browser. In my next tutorial, I will show you how to add navbar and button of Angular material design. Also, show you how to add login and register form. If you need the source code for this tutorial, check description section. Please subscribe my channel for latest videos. Feel free to give your valuable feedback in the comment section and share my video if you like. Enough for today, see you soon.